Hello YouTube, welcome to a new synth anatomy video. Arturia did it again, yet another emulation of a classic synthesizer. This time they emulated the Oberheim OB-Xa, not to be confused with OB-X, which is already available in several plugin versions, as a free version from Disco DSP or from Sonic's projects. That sounds brilliant. The OB-Xa was quite similar to the OB-X, but used Curtis chips for the filters instead of a discrete XAMPP 12 dB octave state variable filter. The result was less creamy as the OB-X, but more aggressive, but still a massive synth for pad sounds. They have reproduced the OB-Xa in all its beauty in a virtual instrument with an interface that is very much based on the original. The features are almost the same: 2 VCOs per voice with pulse, saw and triangle. Not to be missed is the cross-mod function of the oscillators, with which you can achieve this nice aggressive sound. Then the signal is passed onto a 4-pole low-pass filter with switchable 12 dB per octave or 24 per octave slope. The filter sounds really nice. On the left side of the interface, you can see the well-known and almost legendary modulation matrix in which you can map the different parameters. A more modern mod matrix is located on the second page of the plugin. If you only want to work with the vintage functions, you have here 2 ADSR envelopes, an LFO, portamento and vibration on the front panel. Arturia has also built in numerous new functions that are hidden behind the plugin. Once open, you can see 4 fully customizable function generators that you already know from the other Arturia plugins. The modern modulation matrix on the right side, and in the multi-effects section with 3 slots. Here you have everything from reverbs, delays, chorus, flanger, compressor and more. If you want a second filter for the synth, you will also find it here. The 4 function generators in particular offer many new sound design possibilities. Another nice extension is the quad memory function that is located in the main interface. The OB-Xa V plugin also comes with a big amount of patches from original to very modern sounds. Everything is included here. And now we are listening to some of these. The OB-Xa V sounds very good and fat in my opinion, especially the pad sounds excellent. I also like the crossmod function, with which you can spice up every patch. Unfortunately, I can't say how close it is to the original hardware synth because I don't have an OB-X myself. That would be stupid and a lie if I would say now it sounds like the original, sorry. I noticed in the test that the OB-Xa V consumes a bit more CPU power. I have a MacBook Pro with an i9 with 32GB and the CPU meter in live went quite high with some patches, so be careful, it's not a resource poor plugin. On the whole, I can say great job Arturia. Visually very nice, also awesome in terms of sound. The question remains here, how authentic is it really? Where is the hardware OB-Xa when you need it? According to YouTube sound demos, it sounds a lot like an OB-Xa, but that's just my feeling. Maybe you can tell me in the comments your opinion. And as usual, big thanks for watching. Please let me know in the comments below what do you think about the OB-Xa V. It would be cool to discuss with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, this would make me very happy. It's a big support that costs you nothing. Big thanks and hope to see you again in one of the next Synthesizer videos. Bye!